there. I'm never ends. I'm gonna review all of my Rubik's Cube. My 3x3 white one had got missing, so I have to buy a new one. First, sorry, I have a fever. The 1x1, see? Next, the 1x1x2. Next, the computer cube. Next, the 1x1x3. Next, the O2 cube, the 2x2, maybe the spinner thingy, the ball cube, the Lego 3x3, excuse me, normal 3x3, and last but not least, a Mega Mix. A Mega Mix. Okay. Well, my favorite, it's probably the computer cube because it has only 2 combinations. Just look at it. See? 1, 2. Only 2 combinations. It's too easy. Also, it's pretty hard to make because, like, the 1x1, 1x1x2, 1x1x3, and the computer cube, I all made it by myself. From scratch. Yeah, that's cool. And well, the one, I think it's impossible to solve because, well, it cannot turn. You have to like turn the whole thing over, which is I have no idea how to learn it. I already watched the video of how to solve it, but I'm pretty frustrated. I'm pretty frustrated. So I guess my 1x1, my 3x3 Lego one is pretty cool. I like it. I also like this one because it's easy. But the 2x2, I have no idea how to solve it. Well, the Mega Mix, I cannot solve it. I'm not a speedcuber. And my favorite is the computer one. So I gotta keep playing and keep it in my pocket. Okay, goodbye. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and destroy that subscribe button. I haven't gotten to 1,000,000 or 20. I need support. Please. Even though my videos are pretty bad, I'm sorry. But please, I will apologize. Sorry. Please subscribe. Please. Okay. Bye.